good morning. So today I have handpicked two suit sets. Now I have picked only two because these are of the same variety. It's of the same concept. It's just that the color is different, and also the work pattern is also just slightly different. Otherwise both are of the same variety, so that's why I've handpicked them. Now these are two beautiful colored, pastel colored organza suit sets which has this lovely thread work, and this is definitely a beautiful party wear because I'm going to show that to you, and it can also be used for your casual wear. This is going to be a very beautiful and a perfect gift for your loved ones for their birthdays or any special occasions. So the first one here, what I have is a lovely sea green. It's a nice sea green shade. The color in the video is slightly different. Do take a look at the picture posting also, but I'm sure you guys know the sea green shade. It's a very pretty color. Now fabric here is organza. It's this beautiful organza fabric. It's soft and it has this beautiful self designs which is not very obvious. It's just a light self design. Now the top has this beautiful thread work for the yoke. Okay, the color is different. I'm just trying to adjust the phone so that you get the color. So now this is a light shade of sea green, and this is a darker shade of sea green thread work. It also has this beautiful sequins mirror. As you can see, there is this sequins mirror yoke and this thread work running, and it also has this thread work running across the the front panel. Okay, so basically you have work for your yoke, and they have also given the separate work like this for the sleeves. So this particular work is basically for your sleeves, for your hands. You can use that work. So your top has a work on the yoke, the sleeves will also have the work. Now why I told you this is a perfect party wear, because just look at the dupatta. This dupatta is also in organza, but the entire dupatta is completely thread worked. It's beautifully thread worked with that sequence weaving and the floral thread work, and the fabric is again in organza. So this is a very beautiful set, and bottom is also in sea green cotton silk. So this is a perfect party wear, and because the color is very light, you can also use it for a casual purpose as well, and as I said, a perfect gift for your loved ones. The color is very beautiful. If you like the tone of sea green, it is a very beautiful shade. So that's the first item. The second one is also, the concept is exactly similar. It's just that the styling, I mean the patterning is a little different. So here I have this beautiful peach pink. It's a lovely pink shade, a beautiful pink shade which has self design on it. As you can see, there is a self design. Again, this is organza. Bottom is in cotton silk peach pink, and the only difference here is that the previous one had a more small floral prints with sequence work. This one has a bigger kind of a different style of a thread work. This does not have a mirror work, so that's the only difference. The color is also different, and this is the yoke of this set. Bottom is in cotton silk, and dupatta again, just look at the dupatta. It's completely thread work. It's fully thread worked, and it is in organza again, and in this beautiful shade. So this is also a very lovely party wear. If you want to keep it very simple but yet look very classy and elegant, this is definitely a go-to if you like organza fabric, of course. So here you go, this one is your second piece. So these are very beautiful collections in organza. If you really like this organza fabric, it's a very nice collection for you guys to add on to your wardrobe. You can actually use it for multiple purposes, as I said, for a party wear or a casual function, or even gift your loved ones. So I'll be posting the pictures separately. You can take a look at them and then get back to me on WhatsApp. Take care, have a nice weekend. Bye.